Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the Honor MagicPad 4. It was unveiled in Barcelona Mobile World Congress, and in some parts of Europe it will come bundled with the stylus and the keyboard you can see here, which also makes it look like a sort of laptop. This one is a pretty affordable tablet considering it has an OLED screen. When I say affordable, in some areas of Europe it's priced at around 699 euros, 599 euros if you're getting a special price cut. So as I said before, for OLED it's quite cheap, and right now, if I'm not mistaken, we are entering a sort of Windows-like experience here, which mimics what Samsung does with the DeX. So Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, not to be confused with the 8 Elite Gen 5, 12 gigs of RAM plus an extra 12 from the RAM Turbo feature. You can see here the resolution and the battery. So this screen is something like 11 or 12 incher with a resolution close to 2K, 256 gigabytes of storage, 10,100 mAh battery with fast charge and extras here. Of course, you're getting all the goodies associated with AI. And right now, as I said before, we were in the PC mode with resizable windows, with a taskbar and all that, and now we're in the classic mode. So we're also getting AI features. As I said before, would be a pity not to make good use of that powerful processor. Now, AI features that we have here include Magic Portal, Magic Sidebar, Magic Text, subtitles, deepfake detection, AI writing, and more. Speaking of writing, so if I were to put this here, and you can also depend on the stylus like this. You can do handwritten notes if you want. You can do handwriting recognition. This is the brand new Magic Pencil, new generation. As I said before, in some parts of the world you will not get it, but in some you will. It's one of the slimmest tablets on the market, somewhere below 5 millimeters, which is quite shocking, and it's also quite light. At the back side we have an AI camera with 30 megapixels, and at the front side also pretty generous ultra-wide camera for video calls. Should be enough for your Zoom calls, Teams and so forth. Now when it comes to the stylus, it has, as I said before, handwriting recognition. You can draw with it, you can do AI stuff, you can scribble, you can take notes, and it also has a pretty large palette of options here. Handwritten note, type note and settings. Now aside from that, there is also the area here which triggers either the Magic Sidebar, but you can also do multitasking with it. So if you open one application, for example, let's say I'm in gallery right now, and if I were to make it full screen, agree, get started, okay, and if I were to trigger another applications from here, like for example files, you keep it pressed and you're splitting the screen in two. You can also split it in three if you want, and you can have one extra application hovering over the other two, like for example, let's say calculator can either replace it or can just be open like this. So now there are three applications opened at the same time with no problem. This is hovering, and you can actually close it from here. So this tablet should also be good for gaming. It has a special vapor chamber which keeps things in check. Just FYI, it has the same processor as the OnePlus 15R, which was excellent for gaming, and the OLED screen you can see here has a very high refresh rate of 165 Hz, which means once again that it's doing quite fine when it comes to well, gaming and scrolling in a pretty fast manner. Let's access Tablet-News.com. So Honor is now bringing its hardcore tablets, flagship tablets in Europe, like this MagicPad 4. Honestly, I would have liked to see the MagicPad 4 Pro because it has a Snapdragon 8 Elite inside, but I'm guessing that if this sells well enough, they'll bring other versions into our European space. Another important thing here is that there's also eye protection, and there's quite a few features which we're getting here, like the circadian night display, the focus eye care, natural tone, eye comfort, and this one PWM dimming. All of them are meant to protect your eyes, and once again this is a pretty major stuff. Okay, now other things here. So you can also tweak the display and brightness. You can do the automatic, or you can just leave it like that. It's a sunny day outside, so I definitely hope you're seeing something here. You can tweak the color mode and temperature from here, things you'd usually see on other devices. There's smart resolution, there's refresh rate, it can be dynamic, it can be set to standard, medium or fresh, so it all depends on what you want. And at the end of the day, the tablet can also be used for storing your stylus like that. Once again, Honor has deepfake detection, which is something you don't see on many devices nowadays, and it also has Magic OS 10.0 applied on top of Android 16 which looks a bit like iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. It's an inspiration that Honor itself admits when talking about this transparency, and the look you can see here definitely reminds one of iOS 26. So one of the slimmest tablets on the market, below 5mm, with a hefty 10,000 mAh battery, a bright OLED screen, stylus and a keyboard if you want to turn it into a laptop.